Here, let's get a picture of you and your coconut.
I hear water.
Yeah, that's the way to do it. Fresh, I like it. Well done. He just had to get under there and he pulled out this tarp from the back of the boat. And he's still back there working. He's still down there working on his boat, trying to get the very diligent. Whew. That's why, because that big old tarp was in there. So there's supposed to be flags on there showing you what they sell. If you look up there on that one, they're selling fruit. See how they've got that bowl up here? So a lot of small boats come here in the morning and pick up their food. This is really a wholesale area. They'll come here and buy their fruit in the morning. Look at this one right here. She's selling her noodles out of a boat. She's got her propane tank up there. She's boiling and cooking. This is obviously a pineapple boat. This one we're coming on, it's more like a house. See their bedroom in the back there. Look how full that boat is. What does he have on there? Pumpkins, onions, potatoes, some type of root. He's getting his watermelon. Getting all that for the store he runs. I didn't think about that, but they're still having the big boats come up and down this canal the whole time. There you go. This guy's got squash, carrots, some type of, no, those aren't carrots, some type of roots, onions. Welcome, we're on another
adventure.
Yay, so we're gonna be looking at a floating market and some other stuff we're not sure of yet. We're getting ready to get on a pineapple boat, and they had us take off our life jackets at the most dangerous time to cross over.
Seems pretty safe.
Okay, here goes Michelle on her big quest to go across from boat to boat. Don't go swimming. Oh, we're not going to come up on top. We're going inside the boat. Oh, look how graceful.
Over the big bottle of the water, and from the mainland they will bring the water here selling for them. Okay.
So what he told us is they sleep in here, they eat in here, they wash their clothes where, Michelle?
From the river water.
Yeah, do they drink the river water though?
No, they don't drink it.
They have to buy big bottles. But here you can see they've got their little worship site. This is where they
for their
sleep.
ancestors.
And this is where they store their product. So depending on how much product they have, they'll sleep on top. You notice over here they've got pineapple. I think it's cool they've also numbered all their bins, right? So they kind of got an idea of how much they have and where they have them.
Okay. Move to the area where they're washing.
Okay, so here's how you would cook food.
Okay. Yeah, you can cook in here.
Okay, Michelle, show us how you would cook us a meal.
You got a little bit of this, a little bit of that.
Just a
Gotta
pinch of
taste
it.
Okay, so you can go that side to see.
Okay.
Only
That's so
planting
cool.
something behind. Okay.
Okay.
So you can go in here, and you go up and go to the front by this way.
Go that
Okay.
way. Thank you. So this is the kitchen. I'm coming out. Oh my goodness. I guarantee I'd get more littler. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, I
filming
think.
me?
Oh, there you are. It's like I feel like I'm pointing into the ground.
Or hi. So tons of room. Spacious. Talk about tiny home living.
Yeah.
You can see that they actually probably hang their clothes out here at some point in time. Looks like this is a longtail like they had in Thailand, not one right under there.
Oh, yeah.
I feel like we're in a tree house a little.
Hello, one.
Yeah, we want a pineapple.
Yeah, we want a pineapple.
One.
Uh-huh. Do you have your wallet?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, we want one. They're buying.
Cho 4-5 người gì đó. Đâu hết rồi.
I bought way too much pineapple for us to... I can't eat it all.
Yeah, you guys better help us.
Yes. You guys want any of this salt stuff on it? Well, I think it's gonna break in half on you. How are...
Takes out all the little spots. That's awesome.
She's selling them. Did you want a knife like that, honey? Could you imagine we'd get ourselves in trouble trying to...
I would get myself in trouble.
Just trying
Because
to...
I'll forget and I'll...
Yeah, we already had to throw stuff away. It's supposed to go in our checked on and it ended up in our carry-on.
Okay, I gotta turn it on. Everybody's excited. Okay.
Did you say... Oh, you just barely turned it on? Okay, thank you. Thank you for the pineapple. Very good. So, Michelle, you're in a floating market. What do you think? I think we're on a boat still, don't you think?
Maybe, because there's a whole bunch of different things on the floor.
A bunch of hatches, and I feel like we're still on a boat, maybe.
I was told that these stickers that we keep getting marked with, they get commission if we buy
To show how. And when they finish there, they also take that one out here, okay? And they will hang outside.
So I just cook it there for a few minutes.
Video, so you will serve to take the rice table out, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, she rolls it across.
You need to roll it, and then right there.
Hey, don't. There she goes. Lays it out.
Okay. And what they do next, you look it over there. Then we hang out there for, okay?
So then we take it from over here. Once they got it all in the rack, they put it out here
because
to
we
dry.
use this one to cut it, okay? Yeah.
So now it's out there drying.
The Roscoe, come over here.
Yep.
Yeah, it's just the from this one you can see that after 2 hours
Yep.
hang out there. They will shop like this, okay?
Still
then
rubbery.
It will shop because they will use the machine to cut it.
It's like the documents they shred.
Like a shredder.
You can see that.
Oh, and is that the noodle? How we eat it?
Then
Yeah.
we have is the noodle, right?
Yeah.
They call the dry rice noodle because then you make it dry. See a lot of the color, right? You look at here. There are many the color. All the color here, that is the natural color. The color from the lip, from the pandan lip. Okay? The color from the butterfly flower. There are many types of the color here.
This is where they let them dry.
It's driving. That will be like this. And how to eat this one? You just put it in the boiling water.
This is the rice noodle. Now we know how that's done. Now Michelle knows how to do it.
Also, to protect them.
I expect to have real rice noodles now. No problem.
You can keep thinking about that one.
Ouch. I guess I was told, ladies and gentlemen.
Tamarind sauce. Try put it in tamarind sauce.
This is a frog leg.
Yeah. Okay.
It's a dancing lady.
The dancing lady. Okay. And you will try the snack. Here.
Tastes like frog. No.
like chicken?
Doesn't taste like any. Maybe a little fishy, but not much. Kind of gross, huh? No, it tastes like jerky. I don't know. Different.
This one. You tried it? This is the snack. You see the dry fish and this is the snack.
That's a dried snake.
Yeah. Chú ơi, chú ăn thịt rắn không?
This is jerky, snake jerky.
Rắn nè, rắn nè.
Rắn nào?
Rắn. Rắn này.
Rắn khô nó ăn gì?
Rắn khô ăn miếng.
Come on, you're Vietnamese. You should eat it. No. It doesn't taste like anything different. It tastes like dried chicken. The snake?
Eel.
Eel. That makes sense. I could see an eel on it.
Or snake.
Some of that could be fish, maybe. I don't know. All sorts of dried stuff. I don't think you can take that home.
Nope.
So what we learned, the boat numbers would tell you what province they brought their fruit from or their food from so that the government can see who's bringing what where as part of it, but also as a buyer, you know, of the fruit, because that was a wholesale market that we went through. That way when I drove up, I'd be like, oh, I know this province has the best pineapple or this province sells the best potatoes. And that allows the local buyer, restaurant owner, fruit vendor to know who they're buying from when they glance at the boat. And so those boats will run downstream, upstream, whichever way they come in, and then they meet there and they congregate, they anchor out like we saw, and then they sell their goods. Really one of the oldest professions right after farming was actually how do you get your product to market, and then they're wholesale distributors, so it's pretty cool.
I thought the other thing that was interesting was that they live on their boat the whole time until their product's gone, and then they head back to their home place and gather more, and then come back and stay there until it's gone. So sometimes they're there for a couple weeks, sometimes they're there for a month. It just kind of depends.
Oh, I didn't know they were there that long. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Then you go to visit coconut garden.
They planted some grass for one of their buffaloes. There's your white buffalo. Everybody has a water buffalo.
Ooh.
We don't have. Michelle, do you have a water buffalo?
I don't.
Bet you want one though.
Well, if everybody's got one, I need one.
2. If everybody's got one, we need 2.
That's right.
That's fair.
This one is tall one, so I need you. Okay?
Okay, which one do I
You
take?
take this one, and your wife take this one.
Okay, Michelle, you ready?
Right.
Do you like my coconut? Oh, I'm telling. So I twist it.
Twist. Bop it, twist it, pull it.
Lisa, just twist.
Yeah.
Mine not coming off as easy as. There we go. Huh,
did
spun
it.
it a lot more than I thought you had to. Thank you.
Can't hear anything.
Okay, my turn.
Can you reach it? Michelle on her tippy toes. She's getting her coconut. See, there's a little bit more twist than I thought. Oh, here it comes. I heard it break. Good job.
Ta-da!
Here, let's get a picture of you and your coconut.
I hear water.
Yeah, that's the way to do it. Fresh. I like it. Well done.
Okay, he will cut it. He cut this one first for you.
Okay.
Okay. So they can keep it balanced.
Yes.
Yeah, and now you try.
Okay. Hand out of the way, though. Woo! I don't know.
Lấy cái tay này vào nghe.
Slowly.
Không có dính tay.
No, don't put the hand there. It's
No
very
hand.
dangerous, okay? Yeah, okay. One. No, you're strong. You need to stronger.
Oh.
You need to stronger, okay? One. No.
Oh.
Too low.
Yeah. You
One.
have to do it. It's higher there.
Like
okay.
here.
Yeah, right there.
Nhẹ quá, mạnh lên,
You should be
mạnh lên.
stronger.
Come on.
One. Two. Yeah, correct there. Okay, one more shot. One more cut. Okay, right there. One. Two. Yeah, I think you can take it now.
No.
Oh.
No.
Do you? One.
One more time. No, harder.
You
Mạnh
need
lên,
to, yeah.
mạnh lên. Ok.
Did you?
Được.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Working.
Oh.
It's working, right?
Mạnh lên.
Okay, one more time.
Okay.
Cái nữa. Ok. Mạnh lên.
I gotta go strong. Man, this guy made it look so easy.
I think he's done it a few times.
Cái tay này nguy hiểm quá bạn ơi, đây.
I got fired for my
Yes,
job.
you did.
Oh, became a scoop.
Yeah. There. Okay.
Oh,
All you
look at
need
that.
is a
Good.
little straw
Perfect.
hole.
See, I can put a whole. Oh. Man, they make that look so easy. He's a professional. Thank you.
Không được.
10 cut.
Perfect.
coconut. 10 cut.
10 cut coconut. It's special. It has 10 cuts.
Okay.
So that was the way Roscoe did it.
Now watch a professional.
You have a straw there. You have a
Yeah, I had it.
Chạm vào tôi đổ thôi chứ.
That one seems harder.
Rồi.
Nice. Look at that.
The top even popped open.
So easy.
Oh, thank
Oh,
you.
so different. Mine?
Ồ, trái này bị hỏng rồi.
Chị hỏng hả? She said it's not good.
Oh, okay.
So we have another one. Don't worry. They're broken inside already.
Oh, it's cracked inside. He
Yeah.
saw the crack,
So, yeah.
and then he knew that it
Thank
wasn't
you.
good to eat.
When it's cracked like this, you know that the water is.
Tastes bitter.
Good.
We learned a lot about coconuts. Don't eat the cracked ones that are cracked inside. And it's a lot harder to cut than you think it is. Those guys made it look easy. So I've got a spoon, it's cut open, and then I cut it, and then I use this spoon, scoop it out, and there we go. Here we are looking at a beautiful farm. Just drank my coconut juice. It's amazing how refreshing it is. All these little places have boat docks. Like how they've retained their rocks off the shore. They had an old swimming pool. No, it's really not built as a swimming pool, it's for fish. They put them in those ponds so they keep them alive, so that they can keep them fresh. Michelle.
Hi. Ooh, this bamboo's
Michelle's
hot.
on the monkey bridge. Does she make it? Yes. The easier part is there. I think they do this just to stress the tourists out. I'm rowing it.
Okay. We come in here, everyone. We come in here.
So he broke the seal on the
great, thank
bottle and he made the popcorn. Shoots it out of this can and
Still hot?
looks like he
Yesterday
hit
we used the
that
rice with the hot
canister
outside,
and that's what
today
opened
it's
up.
not.
Is that how you make it?
No, we make it. It's like puffed wheat at home.
And this was the result. Very different than yesterday's. Okay, so what do we got? What?
Jackfruit leaf,
Yep.
and then they cooked rice,
Okay, so please
top
take
of the leaf.
the pop rice.
and I'm supposed to be able to roll it off somehow.
I like the way it says supposed to. Evidently.
Michelle's just playing now.
Yeah, I like to play with my food.
That's the way.
Sticky too?
Yeah, it's a little sticky. So that's my attempt of rolling. And then it's coconut milk.
Coconut milk, I think is what coconut something. Coconut caramel.
And of course I'm sticky.
And what's the flavor like? Did you like it?
Not bad.
Not bad.
The rice
Going-
doesn't have a ton of flavor to it.
But what about the coconut?
Kind of tastes salty.
Maybe that's the sweat off your.
Maybe.
Here we are by the fish farm. Michelle was just saying she doesn't even know if I could catch a fish in there, but I think I could. Look at them all just jumping. Bare hands. I think I'm going to use a boat though, like he is. And these are farm-raised fish. We just passed another farm that had some on it. So our lunch that we just had was built by a few different families, and then they come and deliver it to each other via scooters on these little roads. They have scooters zipping past you all day. Pretty impressive. All right, hey, thanks for joining us on our last Vietnam adventure. We went to Coconut Farm, went to the floating market.
And the popping the rice was pretty cool. It's like a cannon going off.
Thanks for joining us, and as you go on different adventures, realize they're not always going to be exactly what you were planning, but remember,
You got this.